Make your holiday party extra festive with these 3 easy decorating hacks. First, poke a hole in the bottom of each of your plastic cups. Then thread a piece of yarn or string through the hole and tie a blown-up balloon to the end of that yarn. This creates a really adorable little light bulb look. Repeat this for as many light bulbs as you'd like, and then attach all of the bulbs to a longer piece of yarn to create a garland. You can hang this up with command hooks really anywhere you like. I feel like this garland works so great for doorways, mantles, or even along the front of a food table at your party. This adds that festive, playful look with minimal effort. This trick is especially great for long hallways. Just zigzag your lights back and forth and across the ceiling by attaching them with command hooks. And once the lights are up, you can hang ornaments from the light strands to add a little extra sparkle. Not only does this look very beautiful, but it also makes your space feel cozy and holiday ready. This idea could easily match any party theme by choosing different colored lights and ornaments that coordinate with the rest of your party decor. For the third hack, all you need is some really pretty dollar store ornaments, fishing line, and a pair of scissors. Simply tie a couple of ornaments to a length of fishing line and then hang it from the ceiling using a command hook. This fishing line creates a magical floating effect as if the ornaments are suspended in mid-air. It's so pretty. You can adjust the length of the fishing line depending on the height of your ceilings, and try to place the ornaments at various heights along the fishing line to really add a lot of interest and depth to your display. And there you go. These 3 decorating hacks are sure to bring some holiday magic to all your parties this season. Happy decorating and enjoy the holiday fun.
Grab some balloons, satin ribbon, and glue dots at your local dollar store. Measure and cut the ribbon into 36-inch lengths. Blow up a whole bunch of balloons, tie them off, and add satin ribbons to the end. Cut individual glue dots from their tape and press onto the end of each balloon. Cut small pieces of painter's tape. Press the top of the balloon to the tape with the attached glue dot. Hang multiple balloons to create a colorful setting for your next celebration. The next time you are at the grocery store, pick up a tub of whipped topping. Spread the topping on a baking sheet and put it in the freezer for an hour. Take it out of the freezer and cut out your favorite shape with a cookie cutter. Plop it in a mug full of hot chocolate for a tasty and charming hot chocolate topper. Grab some small wood rings and spray paint them black. Take some Nutcracker ornaments and remove the ornament string. Add a dot of hot glue to the back of the Nutcracker and press the wood ring onto the glue in a horizontal position. Stuff your new Nutcracker napkin ring with your favorite napkin and place it front and center on a beautiful holiday table setting. Pick up a roll of cellophane wrap from the dollar store and then gather some rolls of toilet paper. Place a roll of toilet paper in the center of a piece of cellophane wrap. Pull the corners and sides of the wrap around the top of the roll and tie with some fun ribbon. Paint some black eyes and a mouth, an orange carrot nose, and add some touches of white for highlights. Style your new snowman in your bathroom. These charming snowmen will be ready and waiting for your wintertime guests.
I headed out shopping for this project and picked up some of these silver aluminum cupcake liners and finished off my shopping trip with 2 packages of shower curtain rings from Dollar Tree. I opened up my shower curtain rings and painted them with silver metallic paint. After the paint is dry on the rings, it's time to start assembling everything. Take each of the shower curtain rings and use a pair of wire cutters to simply cut each of the rings where they hook together. You'll need them to kind of curve around. While I was at Dollar Tree, I picked up some of this foam mounting tape. It comes in little squares. You will need this or something similar to this to attach your balloons to the tabletop or to one another to keep them from falling over. You're going to take your cupcake liners and glue the shower curtain rings to the top of them with low temp hot glue. Although I plan to use some greenery as part of the centerpiece, using a paper runner will make it easy to stick your balloons down and keep them upright. Now it's time to put your inflated balloons on your garland and on your paper runner. You can use the mounting tape squares to secure the balloons to the paper and to each other to style your centerpiece. Arrange your balloon ornaments however you'd like and add the cupcake liner and shower ring tops to the top of each balloon to make your cute oversized Christmas ornament centerpiece. Again, making sure you use low temp hot glue and stick it down on top of your inflated balloon. I hope this inspires you to design your own balloon ornament table for the holidays. This is actually perfect for the kids' table for Christmas.
To get started, I grabbed a basic hula hoop and wrapped inexpensive greenery garland all the way around the hoop, and I just secured the ends with a little bit of packing tape to hold it all in place. Now I needed a base to hold my wreath upright, so I used some scrap wood to create a quick stand. After nailing these pieces together, I gave them a quick coat of spray paint to make it look more polished. You can see here how the stand holds the hula hoop perfectly upright, creating a really beautiful display. I even hot glued a little extra greenery onto the base to make it blend in. Once the wreath was standing, it was time for the fun part, decorating. I picked up some of these holiday florals from Dollar Tree, and after cutting the stems apart, I tucked them into the greenery all around the hula hoop. There's really no need for glue here. The greenery will actually just hold it all in place. Just tuck the wire stems underneath the greenery that's wrapped around your hoop, and you can move things around and adjust the placement of your florals until you like the look. To add a little holiday glow, I wrapped 2 sets of these battery-operated lights all the way around my wreath. For a little added sparkle, I hung some small Dollar Tree ornaments from the top using fishing line. This is a subtle touch, but it makes the wreath look so festive, and you could play around with lots of ornament colors, shapes, and sizes. I also found this adorable wooden Merry Christmas ornament at Dollar Tree and attached it to the hula hoop with a zip tie. And for the finishing touch, I hot glued the sparkly white deer, also from Dollar Tree's ornament section, to the wreath. And there you have it, a giant festive hula hoop wreath that you can use literally anywhere, in front of the fireplace, on a window seat, on a credenza, or maybe in front of your picture window. This is a budget-friendly holiday decor piece that looks stunning when the lights are dim too. And you could even try a smaller version if you wanted to, with a mini hula hoop to use as a holiday centerpiece on your table.
Christmas elegance from plastic wrap in your kitchen drawer? From clips of greenery in your backyard? And from cranberries in your refrigerator? Absolutely! Take any glass vase or jar container that you have and layer the bottom with a couple of inches of greenery. This could be fresh greenery from your backyard, or this could be greenery cut from a garland or even an old Christmas tree. When placing the greens in the glass container, angle the ends of the greenery toward the outside of the glass so you see just greenery and not stems. Next, grab your box of plastic wrap. Pull a couple of long lengths of plastic wrap and start crumpling it into a bunch. There is no real pattern to this, but I did try to shape it into a sort of level disc that fits the opening of my glass vase. Just place it on top of the greenery. The third layer consists of fresh cranberries. Just pile them on top of that plastic wrap layer. And just keep layering in that order: greenery, plastic wrap, and then cranberries. Depending on the size of your container, you can add as many layers as you want. And now for the best part. Take a pitcher of water and pour over the top of all the layers. As you add water, the plastic wrap is going to expand slightly. Just push down on the top layer and everything will settle into place. The plastic wrap takes on the look of ice with the addition of the water. If you like, you can add a tea light to the top of the layers and surround with additional cranberries. Or another option for the top is to add additional greenery over the top layer of cranberries. You could add both a tea light candle and greenery as long as you use a faux candle. Please do not add a lighted real candle with greenery so nearby. Safety first. This is a perfect holiday display centerpiece for anywhere in your home. And this centerpiece looks amazing in multiples. The more the merrier. Quick, easy, and inexpensive. I hope this project inspired you to create your own icy evergreen cranberry centerpiece. Thanks for watching Home Talk, and see you next time.